There's something powerful about walking through open gates. Before a single service begins, the environment starts the work. The beauty, the stillness, the intention behind the space. Your nervous system responds to safety. As I stepped onto the property in Costa Rica for my massage, I felt my body soften. And then receiving a facial by the river. The sound of the water, the warmth in the air, the stillness. I didn't want it to end. It wasn't just skincare, it was ceremony. On this trip, I had 1 facial and 2 massages. Only 1 massage is shown here, but were both very intentional reminders that restoration should be a part of our lifestyle, not an emergency response to burnout. Costa Rica has a way of facilitating grounding and release in a profound way when you allow it. Self-care is not indulgent. It's not something we earn after exhaustion. It's a requirement for our peace of mind, for our health, for our nervous system regulation, for longevity, for clarity. When you prioritize yourself in environments like this, surrounded by nature, grounding happens naturally. Releasing happens gently. Transformation happens deeply because we deserve it. If you'd like to participate in a curated experience in Costa Rica with me, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and in the comments, type "I'm interested." Let's make restoration a standard, not a luxury.